All right, what's up? How are you guys? We are building up a dyno today. This has been powder coated by Axiom Powder Coating. We'll put it below the screen. So they powder coated the stem too. This is a GT stem with the GT logo on top. And we have some dyno forks. From there we have the pretzel bars in the same orange. A really cool paint job. We have a blank white sprocket. We got a Dicta freewheel, Diacomp seat post clamp. We got MX 1000 brakes, white gyro brake kit. We got a layback seat post, 22mm bottom bracket. We also have Primo power bites painted in orange, a 1-inch headset, some tangent pedals, Diacomp Tech 77 brakes. These are triple wall rims laced to Mohawk hubs with some cool spoke nipples in orange and blue. So it's gonna be a fun one. Let's get to it. So let's show you some close-ups. This was powder coated by Axiom Powder Coating. So we'll post his link above. Check his Instagram. We got mushroom grips. These are the Flight Donuts, Tech 77 levers, pretzel bars. We got some white gyro cables and a classic GT stem. We got a 1-inch gyro, some lower gyro cables, MX 1000 brakes, some white wall tires. We have triple wall rims, powdered orange with GT Mohawk hubs. We got tangent pedals, Primo powered by cranks. We got this blank sprocket. We put on some blue stem bolts. We got a blue KMC chain, Diacom clamp, Black Ops seat post, SE seat, another white wall in the back with some MX 1000 brakes, grenade valve caps, triple wall rims. We got a GT Mohawk hub and some SE pegs. So again, this thing came out really good. We're gonna post a bunch of dynos, so check those out after the video. And make sure to comment your thoughts and please like, share, subscribe. And we'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.